Welcome to Rajasasila Holistics. Today I have come to discuss with you about the lunar eclipse which is going to fall on 30th November this weekend in the zodiac of Taurus. Usually lunar eclipse comes on a full moon day. So this time also it is on a full moon day on 30th of November. It is visible globally in several parts of Northern and Southern America, California, Europe, and it is in India. It is visible in the north part of India, southern part of India. It is not visible. As it is happening, the phenomenon is happening in the Taurus zodiac. Its impact will be more on Taurans and those who are born on 6 number and then those who have impact of moon in their natal chart in their present periods of their dasha and bhuktis and all. Even if you are not a Tauran or you don't have any connection with any Venus or moon period and all, still each and every person of this planet will be involved with this effect. The energies will be prevalent almost on all of them. As you all know, moon is the planet which has more impact on the mind and brain of a person. This lunar eclipse also has more impact on the mind, causing anxiety, depression, panic attacks, and those who are vulnerable for these things should be more careful. And women are also vulnerable for this because it is happening in the zodiac sign of Taurus. Those who are pregnant need to take more caution. Now I will teach you how you can protect yourself with simple techniques. Simple techniques in sense you have to concentrate and focus how to block yourself from the toxic energy entering into your body, and if at all few percentage of toxicity enters your body, how to flush it out. This is done by simple techniques of meditation. I will teach you. First you have to sit in a place calm, relaxed, and where you find that there is no much sound, you can absorb into yourself. You sit quietly, sit relaxed, and close your eyes. Concentrate. If you have the habit of doing regular meditation, well and good, you can start with those things, with those techniques. But many of you may be beginners or you have never done it. For such people, I want to teach you how at all you could do this technique. First, you sit in a place calm, relaxed. If you can crisscross and bite, sit, that's very. If you have any problem sitting down, you can sit on a sofa. Some people feel very comfortable lying down and doing meditation. That also you can do, or you can sit in Sukhasana, you can sit in Padmasana, you can sit crisscross, or you can just sit in a sofa relaxed and do. The point is meditating, not the sitting posture. Now you sit with relaxed position. Keep your both the hands in a upward position as if you are acquiring something. Close your eyes and concentrate on your breath. You have any mantra of your own, of your religion, of your choice, or anything you have in your mind, you can repeat it for concentration purpose, but that is not the necessary one. Here you have to concentrate and focus on the energy what you are getting. Just close your eyes and think a white light surrounding you, around you from your top to bottom. It is a white ray from the universe protecting you from all the negative energy entering your body, mind and soul. Just keep your eyes closed and Concentrate on the energy. Sometimes you may feel slight heat around you. It is very common. You need not worry about it. You need not fear about it. Many people have wrong apprehension that if such heat is experienced during this meditation process, they feel they are losing something or some danger is coming. It is not like that. It is a common phenomenon. It happens with everyone. Just close your eyes and feel the energy around you. That white light is the protection white light that protects you from this negative eclipse phenomenon. Now you close it. Take your thumb and your ring finger. Press your ring finger to your thumb and give a slight pressure to it. This is called Prithvi Mudra. Just keep it. Concentrate on the pressure you are giving. Do it for 5 minutes. Along with it, you can do breath exercise. You can do mantra recitation inside you, or you can just simply concentrate on the pressure you are giving in your hand, or you can just visualize the white light around you. This meditation process will give you protection from the negative phenomenon of the eclipse and flush out all negativity from your body. This you have, I don't know which place of the world you people live, so you calculate the starting time and the ending time of the eclipse. Do it 5 minutes during the starting time and at the end time. This will help you not to absorb the negativity and flush out all the negativity, if at all you have acquired, at the end of the eclipse. And at the middle point, that is the most important point, at this middle point you do this Apana Mudra. This Apana Mudra is giving thrust of your middle finger, and this Apana Mudra is very, very important for this meditation during this eclipse period, because it has very great impact on the brain, especially those who have anxiety related problems. This can make the brain relax and give you good relaxation and help you to come out of all anxiety related problems. Just give thrust to your thumb from your middle finger and your ring finger and concentrate on that thrust. Just absorb the energy that you get from this thrust. You can recite some mantra, or you can just concentrate on that energy. At the time of ending the meditation, again relax, keep this Prithvi Mudra and try to do the same procedure. This will help you to come out of all the negativity and flushing out all negative energy concerned with mental anxiety, fear, depression, and all those things. I think this episode has given you some information how to tackle the negativity of this eclipse. Kindly like, share and subscribe so that others will also be benefited of this episode.